Yes, my dear students, now we have a equation, quadratic equation. These problems are very important for the purpose of coming midterm examination, also for board examination. And all the problems are depend on nature of roots, and some are very short and some are long. So, find the equation of k for which the following equation has equal roots: k minus 12 into x square plus 2 into k minus 12 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have an equation k minus 12 x square plus 2 into k plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. My dear student, comparing it by standard equation of standard form, here a is equal to k minus 12, b is equal to 2 into k minus 12, c is equal to 2. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and 4 into k minus 12 whole square minus 4 into k minus 12 into 2. It will be 4 into k minus 12, and it will be k minus 12 minus 2. So now, my dear student, d is equal to 4 into k minus 12, k minus 14. d is equal to 4 into k minus 12 into k minus 14. The given equation will have equal roots if d is equal to 0. That is 4 into k minus 12 into k minus 14 is equal to 0. This implies k minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 12. When k minus 14 is equal to 0, k is equal to 14. The required value of k is equal to 12 and 14. If minus 4 is a root of the quadratic equation x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation x square plus px plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. Since minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0, therefore minus 4 square plus p into minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 16 minus 4p minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 4p is equal to 12, and that is p is equal to 3. So the equation x square px plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, and its discriminant is equal to 0. So p square minus 4k is equal to 0, and 9 minus 4k is equal to 0. So 9 is equal to 4k, so k is equal to 9 by 4. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इसमें दो सवाल जुड़ा हुआ है. एक सवाल से आप p का मान निकालते हो, दूसरे सवाल में p का मान पुट करके k का मान निकालते हो, इसलिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई होप यू हैव फॉलोड मी. नाउ I want to solve problem number 3. Find this problem is very important for objective type of question. Find the values of k for which the equation x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct real roots. The given equation is x square minus 4x plus k is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to k. Therefore, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into k. So 16 minus 4k. The given equation will have real and distinct roots if d greater than 0. 16 minus 4k greater than 0. 16 greater than 4k. 4k less than 16. And k less than 16 by 4. This implies k less than 4. Hence, the given equation will have distinct roots if k less than 4. So this type of question is very important for objective types. Now, so that the equation x square plus ax minus 4 is equal to 0 has real and distinct roots for all real values of a. Given equation is x square plus ax minus 4 is equal to 0. You should know the condition when roots are distinct and real. So first you find the value of d. It will be a square plus 16 for distinct roots. D greater than 0. Of course, a square plus 16 greater than 0. For all values of a belongs R. Hence, the given equation has real and distinct root. This question is very important for multiple type of question having 1 mark. My dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 5. If P, Q, R are real and p is not equal to q, then show that the roots of the equation p minus q into x square plus 5 into p plus q into x minus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0 are real and unequal. The given equation is p minus q into x square plus 5 into p plus q into x minus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0. Here a is equal to p minus q, b is equal to 5 into p plus q, c is equal to minus 2p minus q. So d is equal to, we know, b square minus 4ac, and the value of d is equal to 5 square plus pq whole square minus 4p minus q into minus 2 into p minus q. So d is equal to 25p plus q whole square plus 8p minus q whole square. Clearly d is equal to 25p plus q square. 25p plus q square greater than 0 and 8p minus q whole square greater than 0. So d is equal to 25p plus q whole square plus 8 into p minus q whole square greater than 0. Hence d greater than 0. So roots are real and unequal. So my dear student, in this way we can solve the problems of quadratic equation involving nature of roots. Now I want to discuss some other problems. So now I want to solve problem number 7. Find the problem number 6. Determine the positive value of k for which the equation x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 will both have real roots. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यह दूसरे तरह का सवाल, इसमें दो इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है और दोनों में रियल रूट्स निकालना है के किस मान के लिए हो. We have x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0, x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0. This is second equation. तो दोनों का हम क्या करेंगे, d का मान निकालेंगे. We will find the discriminant of both these equations. d1 k square minus 4 into 64, k square minus 25, 256, d2 minus 8 square minus 4k, 64 minus 4k. Both the equation will have real roots. So d1 greater than equal to 0 and d2 greater than equal to 0. K square minus 25 6 greater than equal to 0 and 64 minus 4k greater than equal to 0. When k square greater than equal to 25 6, k greater than equal to 16 and k less than equal to 16 also. When 64 greater than equal to 4k, 4k less than 64, k less than equal to 16. So common value is k less than equal to 16. So k is equal to 16. Hence both the equation will have real roots when k is equal to 16. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये दूसरे तरह का सवाल था. कितना सवाल बना रहे हो ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, कितने टाइप्स का सवाल बना रहे हो ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसलिए प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ दो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है, दोनों का अलग अलग हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालें और फिर यहाँ इनइक्वालिटी को कैसे सॉल्व किए इसको देखो, यहाँ पर सीखना चाहिए. k ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 16 एंड k लेस देन इक्वल टू 16 इनइक्वालिटी है. k स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 256. तो k का मान 16 भी भरोगे तो भी 256 होगा, अभी यहाँ यही जानो. और k का मान माइनस 16 भरोगे तो भी 256 होगा. सो प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, हियर वी हैव two cases, k greater than equal to 16 and k less than equal to 16. 64 greater than equal to 4k, so 4k less than equal to 64. So k less than equal to 16. In both the conditions, k less than equal to 16 is common. So common part will be the solution. Priya vidyarthiyo, my dear students, now I want to discuss problem number 7. Find the value of k for which the given equation has equal roots. Also find the roots. 9x square minus 24x plus k is equal to 0. 20kx square minus 40x plus 25 is equal to 0. It is the given equation is 9x square minus 24x plus k is equal to 0. A is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to k. Then d is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 24 square minus 4 into 9k. that is 576 minus 36k. So the given equation will have real and equal roots if d is equal to 0. That is 576 minus 36k is equal to 0. That is k is equal to 576 by 36 and is equal to 16. By putting the value of k is equal to 16 in the given equation, we get 9x square minus 24x plus 16 is equal to 0. And it will be 3x minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. And it will be 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. And it will be 3x is equal to 4. And it will be x is equal to 4 by 3. Now I hope you will do problem number, sub-problem number 2. Now my dear student, I want to solve some long problem also. Prove that the equation x square within the bracket a square plus b square plus 2x ac plus bd plus c square d square is equal to 0 has no real roots if AD is not equal to BC. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ऐसे सब सवालों में हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट को निकालेंगे. हियर इन दिस केस व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? B is equal to AC plus BD and C is equal to A square, A is equal to A square plus B square and C is equal to C square plus D square. And this is the value of B square minus 4AC. So now taking common 4, we have AC plus BD whole square minus A square plus B square into C square plus D square. And after simplifying, we have 4 into twice AC BD minus A square D square minus B square C square. And this is nothing but the complete square of AD minus BC. So the value of this expression is AD minus BC whole square. And D is with negative sign. So it will be negative. It will be less than 0. So D less than 0. Hence the given equation has no real roots. This is the main condition. D less than 0. Now my dear student, or also it is given AD is not equal to BC. Here this condition is given. So we have less than 0, D less than 0. So the given equation has no real roots. My dear students, now I want to solve problem number 9. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation, 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. And the quadratic equation p into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. Two equations are interlinked here in this problem. That's why this problem is very, very important. Since minus 5 is a root of the equation, 2x square plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. So we put x is equal to minus 5. So it is 2 minus 5 square minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0. So it is 50 minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0. It is 5p is equal to 35 and p is equal to 7. Putting p is equal to 7 in, p into x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. We get 7x square plus 7x plus k is equal to 0. For equal roots, d is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 7 square minus 4 into 7 into k is equal to 0. So 49 minus 28 k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 49 by 8 and k is equal to 7 by 4. So in this way, we can solve this type of problem. Now I want to solve some very important problem. It was also asked in the CBSE board examination. It was asked frequently. If the roots of the equation b minus cx square plus c minus ax plus a minus b is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that 2b is equal to a plus c. It is very, very important for the purpose of examination, board examination also. Given equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0. And it is given that the root of this equation are equal. So we want to find the value of d. And for equal root, you know that d is equal to 0. Here, capital B square minus 4ac, d is equal to, we suppose, capital B square minus 4ac. B is equal to c minus a is equal to b minus c, and c is equal to a minus b. So b square minus 4ac is equal to c minus a whole square, 4 into b minus c into a minus b. And it will be c square a square minus 2ca. Within the bracket minus 4 ba minus b square minus ac plus bc. and it will be c square plus a square minus 2ac minus 4ab plus 4b square plus 4ac minus 4bc minus 4bc. So it will be the expansion of c plus a minus 2b whole square. My dear student, यहाँ पर दो तरह से हम इसको देख सकते हैं. इट इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ माइनस सी माइनस ए प्लस 2b होल स्क्वायर एंड ऑल्सो इट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ c प्लस ए माइनस 2b होल स्क्वायर. इसी कारण से ये सवाल जब बोर्ड में पूछा जाता है तो बच्चा नहीं बना पाता है. ये क्लास 8 का सवाल है. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ ट्राइनोमियल उसको पते नहीं है. c प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2b. इफ c एंड a आर बोथ पॉजिटिव, जब दोनों पॉजिटिव रहे तो b जहां नेगेटिव है तो देखो तो c और a दोनों नेगेटिव, c और a दोनों नेगेटिव और b पॉजिटिव, एक केस. दूसरा c और a तो c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर दोनों नेगेटिव, तो क्या हो गया c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac, c स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac माइनस 4ab प्लस 4b स्क्वायर प्लस 4ac माइनस 4bc. इस बात को समझने का चेष्टा करो. b नेगेटिव रहे तो ये वाला नेगेटिव, जहाँ जहाँ b है वो सब नेगेटिव, जहाँ जहाँ b है वो सब नेगेटिव. जब b नेगेटिव रहे, जब b नेगेटिव रहे तो जिस जिस टर्म में b है वो नेगेटिव. तो c प्लस a माइनस 2b होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. It will be the expansion of c square plus a square. My dear students, now see this step. c minus a whole square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca minus 4. And the product of b minus c and ab is ba minus b square minus ac plus bc. And it will be c square a square minus 2ac minus 4ab plus 4b square plus 4ac minus 4bc. And this plus 4ac minus 2ac is equal to 2ca. Now, my dear student, I want to share you two very important points here. It is the expansion of c plus a minus 2b whole square. मतलब c और a पॉजिटिव है और 2b नेगेटिव है. तो कैसे चेक करेंगे? जहाँ जहाँ b है वहाँ नेगेटिव है, देखो तो. और इट इज b स्क्वायर, सो इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. दूसरा, इट विल बी द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ, और ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, माइनस c प्लस माइनस a प्लस 2b whole square. It is also the expansion of minus c plus minus a plus 2b whole square. So in this way we can expand it. मेरे विद्यार्थियों, ये एक्सपेंशन ये ट्राइनोमियल का 8वां क्लास में है. वहाँ से बच्चे सीख नहीं करके आते हैं तो ये सवाल बनाने में यहाँ दिक्कत होती है. सो इन दिस वे विल डिसाइड द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस ट्राइनोमियल विल बी c प्लस a माइनस 2b होल स्क्वायर और माइनस c प्लस माइनस a प्लस 2b होल स्क्वायर. When roots are equal, d is equal to 0, तो c plus a minus 2b whole square is equal to 0, c plus a minus 2b is equal to 0 और 2b is equal to a plus c, और minus c plus minus a plus 2b is equal to 0, so 2b is equal to a plus c. So in this way we can solve this type of problem. My dear student, now the alternative method of this problem is very, very important. This method is not in your book. मेरे विद्यार्थियों, ये मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए ही इस सवाल को हम लोग इस रूप से बनाते हैं. Now here a is b minus c, b is c minus a, c is equal to a minus b. So a plus b plus c is equal to 0. When the coefficient of constant term and x and x square of a quadratic equation is equal to 0, then one root will be unity. एक रूट उसका 1 होगा. Here it is given that all the both roots are equal. So here we apply this theorem. Since roots are equal, therefore both roots are unity. The sum of roots of quadratic equation is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. That is minus c minus a by b minus c. That is 1 plus 1 minus c minus a by b minus c. That is 2 into b minus c minus c minus a. That is 2b is equal to minus c plus a and minus 2c. That will be 2c minus c plus a. So 2b is equal to a plus c. So it may be asked, ये कंपटीशन में आता है ये सवाल, कहाँ पर? इंजीनियरिंग कंपटीशन में. क्या ये तो 10 के लिए हुआ, लेकिन इट इज इंटरलिंक्ड विद द चैप्टर ऑफ अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ए बी सी आर इन एपी. इफ ए बी सी आर इन एपी, देन बी माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू सी माइनस बी. बी माइनस ए is equal to c minus b, that is 2b is equal to a plus c. So my dear student, it is a interlinked problem. So that's why it is very very important. इसको इस तरह से भी पूछा सकता है. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब हम आज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. एनसीईआरटी के 99% सवाल का मैंने डिस्कस किया, सॉल्व किया, और बोर्ड के सवाल को भी मैंने इस लास्ट वीडियोज में डिस्कस किया. कुछ बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल को डिस्कस किया, उसके अलग अलग टिप्स को भी बतलाया, और ये लास्ट वीडियोज मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन के लिए बहुत बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई होप यू मस्ट वॉच द वीडियो, यू मस्ट लिसन द वीडियो एंड डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन अगेन एंड अगेन. You must remember the condition of nature of roots of quadratic equation also, because so many questions will be asked on this concept. My dear student, I hope you do better. You must do better. Thank you. Thank you very much.